Hi, everyone. Welcome to Data Analytics for Business. My name is Isabel Tridel. I'm going to be your instructor during these 10 weeks. And welcome to our class. This is going to be an e-learning modality, which means you're going to be able to complete your assignments during a week. So then each module is going to open by Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you're going to start completing all the assignments, doing the readings, checking your book, doing the case analysis, doing the weekly discussions, either as a leader or as a responder. And then, of course, you're going to be submitting. So then you have different type of deadlines. You have a deadline if you're a leader, that you have to submit your work in advance. So then your peers can have time to talk and have active discussion about our topic. And if you're a responder, you just need to wait till the leader posts. In some cases, please be aware, the leaders do not post on time. So please do not wait till the end, because in some cases, they either forget, they either drop the class, so they are no longer with us. And this is a big invitation for you to be more proactive. So if you realize that the deadline is already there and no one has posted in the weekly discussion as a leader, you as a responder, you still can be active. You can just go, read the material, read the questions that are for each week, and then start digging into the concepts. So then again, remember this class is about data, analytics for business. So everything needs to be supported most of the time with facts. We want to bring into the table all the data and the facts that we have found. And then we're going to be supporting our position, our insights, our ideas by bringing some data and supporting the position. So then a way of doing this is by using secondary sources. We're not going to be using primary sources because we don't have time to go and do interviews and do focus groups. But on the other hand, you can actually have a lot of access to journals, to the library, to papers, to newspapers, and you can actually find out different databases that the government and other entities have, and there are credible sources. So this class, as I mentioned, is really heavy about research and analysis. And the way it's going to work is that we're going to have different methodologies. One is going to be individual, and then the other one is going to be a group. So then you as a person, you can show your level, you can show your performance by being the leader of the weekly discussion, by being a respondent, and by doing your case analysis. On the other hand, we're going to have a portion that is going to be a group portion, and that is going to be the signature assignment. So then for the signature assignment, you were already assigned into a random group, which you're going to be talking to your peers, you're going to be communicating with them in advance. And from week 4 to week 10, you're going to be delivering a product development. This product development is going to be a product extension of a company. This company needs to be publicly traded. And the reason for choosing a company that is publicly traded is because we need to find information and data. So then by the time you're public, you need to publish all your reports and be really transparent. So that's why we're suggesting always sticking into a publicly traded company. My other suggestion into this type of product development is that please do something that you like, something that you're passionate about. If there is a brand or a company that you are a loyal consumer, please move forward and do it. Because then again, you're going to be here enjoying the class. You're going to be finding that is something more meaningful. And then you're going to be finding that there is a big gain into this class. So then my purpose with this class is to make things as close to reality as possible. So then again, we're going to be bringing not just case analysis, which brings real cases with companies that we know and we're familiar and we can analyze and reflect. But on the other hand, we're also going to have the weekly discussions where we're tying the concepts with some elements that are happening in the real world context. And then finally, we're tying everything with the signature assignment, which is actually the one that is going to tie all the dots by giving us the power of data analytics. For data analytics, this is a class that is not going to be, this is just an introduction. We're just going to tip our toes into this big and vast universe about data. As you know, data can be really overwhelming. Some data can be useless, but it's really important to understand the need of knowing and understanding how facts can guide us into providing a better perspective and making a better and informed decision. This could be for a company. This could be even for your life. This could be even for a country. When you actually start moving forward into, for example, with the coronavirus, what are the cases? Are increasing, are peaking? Do we need to change policies? Do we need to mandate something? And that's the power of data. And that's how data is so powerful into not just companies, private sector, NGOs, academias, and then, as I mentioned, even governments. So then again, remember this class is really heavy in research. Please feel free to always contact me. I'm always here to answer any question. I can also review your homework and your assignments and your product assignment in advance. You're also going to have time to have some bonus activities where you're actually going to be able to boost your grade. And then also there are some cases, if you're having a great performance, I will even give you like a reward where you can actually skip a case analysis or a weekly discussion because you're doing great. So then I will add a note that it says, you're doing amazing, kudos. You can skip next week, either discussion or case analysis. So please remember, I am here to help you. Communicate in advance if you're having any problem. If you need an extension, we can work around, but it's really important to let your peers and let me know if something is happening. So the main component of this class is to make things as valuable, as real, and something that you can take into the future of the journey that you're starting. So then again, welcome to Data Analytics for Business.